Welcome back. ProgramixX here. Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability with the use of significant indentation. Python is dynamically typed and garbage collected. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including structured, particularly procedural, object-oriented and functional programming. It is often described as a batteries-included language due to its comprehensive standard library. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s, and began in December 1989. Van Rossum led until July 2018 when a steering council took over. Key milestones include Python 2.0, 2000, and Python 3.0, 2008. Python 3.11 is the latest stable version as of November 2022, with Python 3.8 still receiving security support since Python 3.7's end in June 2023. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and consider subscribing to get notified to every new video from us.